Managing a fleet, whether it's a handful of service vehicles or hundreds of trucks, comes with its own set of challenges. Between keeping up with maintenance, managing driver data, tracking fuel usage, and ensuring compliance, it's easy for operations to become chaotic without the right tools in place. That's where Fleetio comes in. Fleetio is a modern, cloud-based fleet management software that helps businesses streamline their entire vehicle operations, from maintenance and inspections to fuel tracking and asset life cycle management. It's designed to replace outdated spreadsheets, manual logs, and disconnected systems, allowing fleet managers to make smarter, faster decisions with real-time data. So, whether you're a fleet manager, operations lead, or small business owner handling a growing number of vehicles, this video will walk you through what Fleetio offers and how to start using it effectively. So, before we get started, let us first give you a platform overview. So, Fleetio is built to simplify all aspects of fleet management in one centralized platform. It works across web and mobile, making it easy to manage vehicles, drivers, and tasks whether you're in the office or on the road. At its core, Fleetio helps companies reduce vehicle downtime, control costs, improve compliance, and extend the lifespan of their assets. Once logged in, you'll see a clean, intuitive dashboard that gives you visibility over your entire fleet. You can view the status of each vehicle, upcoming maintenance, active issues, driver assignments, and inspections all from one place. So, the first thing that you want to do is head over to fleetio.com, and from here you can either book a demo or start a free trial. So, simply click on Start a Free Trial and sign up for an account. After signing up, you will now be redirected to your dashboard right here. So basically, if you're currently confused of their platform, of course, they have this getting started section right here, which has this overview. So you can take a tour. You can also navigate Fleetio. Again, you can take a tour right here. So just follow the steps that will take up to 10 minutes. So you'll need to add your first vehicle. You can learn about inspections, invite your team, and of course, explore the pricing. So now I'm going to tour you to the features of the platform. So first is our dashboard. So basically, this is our dashboard. So you'll see all of this data right here, such as the repair priority class trends, service reminders, time to resolve, open issues, vehicle renewal reminders, and all of this data right here, which is a lot. But what's good about this dashboard is, of course, you'll see all of the reports in one place. So from here, you can also see your onboarding tasks. So this is the first things that you should do. So we're not going to do this right now. I'm just going to explore you for the features of Fleetio. So next we have the vehicle section. So from here, we can see the vehicle list, vehicle assignments, meter history, expense history. So from here in the vehicle list, as you can see, we have sample data right here. So you will see the operator of each vehicle, the year, make, model, the VIN number, the status, type, group, and all of this data. So to add a new vehicle, simply click here in the top right. So add with a VIN, the identification, and click on Save Vehicle. So you can also edit the maintenance, life cycle, financial, all this data. We also have the vehicle assignments. So from here, you can assign the vehicles. Also have the meter history, expense history, and the replacement analysis. Next, we have the tools section. So from here, you can gain visibility into your small equipment and tools. So you can start the tools management right here. Simply click here and learn more and explore more about this feature. Next, we have the inspections. So we have the inspection history. You'll see it right here. The item failures, the schedules for inspections. Of course, we have it right here also. So we don't have any schedule right here. So to start inspection, just click here in the top right and select your vehicle. Let's say this. And of course, you can add the odometer readings, the item checklists, all right here. Next, we have the issues section. So we can see all of our issues. So as you can see, we have this issues right here, which is open, and issues that are resolved, the reported date, all the data, you will see it right here. You also have faults and recalls. Next, we have the reminder section, which we will see the service reminders. So as you can see, we have overdue vehicles, due soon vehicles, all of this reminders, you'll see it right here. And of course, again, to add a new service reminder, we have this option at the top right. So almost all the features right here, if you want to add, it's all the top right. Next is vehicle renewals. You'll see it right here also. We also have the contact renewals, contract. And of course, the service, we have the service history. Of course, you'll see it right here. We have the work orders. So to add a work order, again, just click and fill up all of these details right here. You also have the service tasks, service programs. And of course, we have our shop network, where we'll see the directory and shop payments, and of course, our contacts and vendors. So to add a contact, again, just click right here and fill up the information. That goes the same as to our vendors. We also have our fuel and energy part right here, fuel history or charging history for electronic vehicles. We have our parts, so if you want to add, you can see it right here. So these are the records to manage your history of physical inventory across your part locations. And places, of course, so you will see where are the locations of your fleet or vehicles. And of course, documents. So you can add your documents right here also. So basically, that's about it for the features of Fleetio. So you can just start a free trial and explore more about its features all by yourself. So you will see a bunch of different buttons right here, but I guess this video has taught you most of the features of where you can navigate and explore it. So simply do the onboarding tasks and the get started section, and you'll be familiarized with Fleetio in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.